Thin silicone membrane for glass lamination. Vacuuming with EVA PVB SG per TPU. Size, 2 mm thickness, 2.95 m width, any length. Size, 1 mm thickness, 2.95 m width, any length. Hardness is 40 Sure. Tensile strength is more than 9.5 megapascals. Tearing strength is more than 37 mm. Elongation is more than 750%. Long-run temperature is more than 220. EVA resistance is strong. Normal using life is more than 3,000 cycles. Appearance is both sides smooth. Made of self-developed special formula to highly improve the properties of silicone sheet like great acid resistance, chemical agents resistance, high temperature resistance, great tensile strength, great tearing strength, highly prolong useful life. If you want to order, please feel free to send us email, and you may expect answers in 24 hours. Our email is cnc@cncglass.com. Our email is cnc@cncglass.com. Our email is cnc@cncglass.com.